guys, it's early July and we've been working on these wildlife and land management projects for about 7-8 months now. So we want to take a little bit of time and recap some of these and go back and visit them and see how they're doing. Now for instance, this is one of our good projects that really brought some water into an area that didn't have water. It's a basic guzzler system. And we built this at home, brought it out here in the back of a truck. It's nothing more than some sheet metal on top, used it at an angle to flow downhill, flows to a gutter system, comes down into the guzzler and holds water. We did finally get about a 6 or 7 inch rainfall, which is pretty common for the Southwest. When it comes heavy. So this roof design was designed to gather about 31 gallons of water per 1 inch of rainfall. So when we get 6 inches, this thing filled up. As you can tell, it's supplying water to wildlife, which is in a really heavy travel corridor area right here. So it's been really a blessing to have this water here when we didn't traditionally have it. Now, a second project we worked on this summer was the planting of this lab. Now, we would have liked to have planted it much earlier in the year, say March, when our ground temperature started to warm up, and we're in South Texas and they warm up in March. We really had to wait till very late May to plant it because we have no moisture in the ground. But we did get just enough moisture in the ground in late May to get the seed in the ground. Then it dried up a little bit, but fortunately about 2 weeks later we got about 6 inches of rain. So we're now in early July and we have about 8 inches of lab growth. Now this is a really good plant for Southwest Texas. It's extremely drought tolerant and it'll continue to grow even through these dry conditions. Now of course, if we can get some rain here and there throughout the summer, it'll continue to grow and get really tall. It's an excellent plant for these deer to eat. It's got protein, it's highly digestible, it's great for does, it's great for fawns, it's great for bucks growing antlers. It's a great plant to have, so we're really happy with what's done on this project so far.
Go to Cabelas.com/WLM for more info about wildlife and land management and go more in depth with all the tractors, implements, and products that Cabelas has to offer.